In this video, we're diving into one of the most widely used performance marketing objectives in the app ecosystem, cost per install, or simply CPI. CPI, or cost per install, is a pricing model where advertisers pay only when their app is installed by a user. This means that rather than paying for impressions or clicks, the advertiser pays when the user completes the specific action of installing the mobile application. It's a pure performance-based model, focused entirely on driving app installs. It's important to understand the mobile acquisition landscape. Today, mobile is not just a channel, it's the primary experience for users in gaming, e-commerce, fintech, and social media. With millions of apps competing for visibility on app stores, acquiring quality users efficiently has become a major challenge. Advertisers need performance-driven models that bring in real users, not just traffic. This is where CPI stands out, giving you a direct path to measurable growth in a highly competitive environment. Cost per install campaigns are strategic because they tie ad spend directly to results, ensuring advertisers only pay when their app is installed. This model offers measurable ROI, scalable growth, and precise attribution, making it ideal for user acquisition during app launches or expansions. With built-in tracking and fraud prevention, CPI ensures both efficiency and quality in mobile marketing. CPI campaigns offer several key advantages for both advertisers and partners by focusing entirely on performance. Since you only pay when a user actually installs the app, every marketing dollar is tied directly to a real, measurable outcome, making it a highly efficient model. These campaigns are also scalable. When paired with proper tracking systems and strong partner networks, they can rapidly drive installs across multiple channels. One of the biggest strengths of CPI is its measurability. Advertisers can attribute installs back to specific sources, creatives, or affiliates, enabling detailed performance analysis and optimization. Additionally, because the cost is based on completed installs, advertisers maintain better control over their budgets. When enhanced with tools like deep linking, in-app event tracking, and fraud prevention, CPI campaigns become a robust and reliable strategy for sustainable app growth. While cost per install campaigns are highly effective, they come with common pitfalls such as fraud from fake or incentivized installs, poor user quality with low retention, and limited visibility into post-install behavior. These challenges can lead to wasted ad spend and misleading performance data. To overcome them, it's crucial to implement robust fraud detection tools, use deep links to track in-app engagement, and analyze post-install events like signups or purchases to ensure you're acquiring high-quality users. Partnering with trusted networks and continuously optimizing targeting criteria also helps in maintaining campaign efficiency and long-term value. In conclusion, cost per install is a powerful and strategic campaign objective for driving mobile app growth. It aligns budget directly with results by focusing on actual installs, offering advertisers clear attribution, scalability, and control over acquisition costs. While it comes with challenges like fraud and low-quality installs, these can be effectively managed through proper tracking, post-install analytics, and trusted partnerships. When implemented thoughtfully, CPI campaigns not only deliver measurable ROI but also lay a strong foundation for long-term user engagement and app success. Thank you for staying connected.